Are you looking for the best vacuum filters in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best vacuum filters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the IOYIJOI VF4000 Wet-Dry Vac Filter. The IOYIJOI VF4000 filter is specifically designed for rigid wet and dry vacuums, fitting models ranging from 5 to 20 gallons. This washable filter effectively captures everyday dust particles, ensuring your vacuum performs at its best. You can easily clean it by hand washing with warm water and air drying, allowing you to reuse it for 3 to 6 months, depending on how often you use your vacuum. Its compatibility with various rigid and husky models adds convenience, making it a versatile choice for your cleaning needs. Up next in the 4th place is the Extolife Replacement Filter for Shop. The Extolife Shop Vac Filter is designed to fit a variety of shop vac models, specifically those 5 gallons and larger. Its compatibility with multiple filter types ensures it meets your vacuuming needs, providing versatility for different tasks. Made from durable synthetic material, this filter is washable and built to last, giving you long-term use without frequent replacements. The pleated design enhances airflow and suction, preventing clogs and allowing your vacuum to perform at its best. Before purchasing, be sure to check the dimensions to ensure a proper fit for your vacuum. The 3rd product on our list is the isinlive VF4000 Replacement Filter. The isinlive VF4000 filter is designed to fit a range of rigid, husky, and craftsman wet-dry vacuums, making it a versatile choice for your cleaning needs. Its advanced filtration system captures everyday dust and fine debris, ensuring cleaner air in your workspace. You can easily maintain this filter by washing it with warm water and reusing it for several months, which saves you money in the long run, with a commitment to customer satisfaction. This filter not only delivers excellent performance, but also provides reliable service and support whenever you need it. Second on our list is the ANBOO VF4000 Replacement Filter. The ANBOO VF4000 filter is designed to fit various rigid, husky, and craftsman wet-dry vacuums, ensuring compatibility with models ranging from 5 to 20 gallons. This filter features a single-layer pleated paper construction that is both washable and reusable, making maintenance easy for you. You can simply rinse it with water and reinstall it without any tools. Additionally, it effectively captures fine particles such as dust, pollen, and pet dander, boasting an impressive efficiency rating of 99.97% for particles as small as 0.3 microns. This means you can enjoy cleaner air while using your vacuum. Finally, the top product on our list is the GIBTOOL Standard Wet-Dry Vac Filter VF4000. The GIBTOOL Wet-Dry Vac Filter is a compatible replacement filter designed for rigid and husky vacuums. It fits a wide range of models, including 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 16, and 20-gallon vacuums. This filter is specifically designed to capture everyday dust particles, making it perfect for regular cleaning tasks. With its washable and reusable feature, you can save money on replacements and contribute to a more sustainable environment. The GIBTOOL Wet-Dry Vac Filter is easy to install and ensures efficient performance. With this filter, you can keep your vacuum running smoothly and maintain a clean and healthy living space. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.